Hello and welcome to English Insight. Today, we bring you an inspiring story about one of the biggest music stars in the world, Bruno Mars. Bruno Mars is known for his hit songs, dance moves, and smooth voice. But did you know that his journey was not easy? His life story is full of passion, hard work, and perseverance. Let's go back to where it all began. Bruno Mars was born as Peter Jean Hernandez on October 8, 1985, in Honolulu, Hawaii. His parents were musicians, and music was a big part of his life from the very beginning. As a child, Bruno loved watching his father play the drums and his mother sing. He started performing at just 4 years old. Imagine that. A little boy, singing and dancing on stage, wearing an Elvis Presley costume. His family wasn't rich, but they had something special, a love for music. What do you love to do? Think about it. Even though Bruno's childhood was full of music, life was not easy. His family faced money problems, and sometimes they didn't have a place to stay. But did Bruno give up? No. He believed in himself. He kept singing, dancing, and performing. His dream was bigger than his problems. Lesson for learners: no matter how hard life is, never stop believing in yourself. When Bruno finished high school, he knew he needed to leave Hawaii to chase his dream. At just 17 years old, he moved to Los Angeles with big hopes. But life in LA was not easy. No one gave him a record deal. Many music producers rejected him. Doors closed. People told him he was not good enough. Did Bruno quit? Never. He worked hard, writing songs for other singers and learning more about the music industry. Success doesn't come overnight. It takes time. Have you ever faced rejection? What did you do? One day, Bruno got a chance to write songs for famous artists. He wrote songs like Nothin' on You and Billionaire, which became hits. Finally, in 2010, Bruno got his own record deal and released his first album. His songs, Just the Way You Are and Grenade, became world famous. From that moment, Bruno Mars became a superstar. His music topped the charts, and he won many awards. But most importantly, he never forgot his struggles. He always says, "You have to work hard for your dreams." What's your dream? Keep going. Never give up. Bruno Mars' journey teaches us valuable lessons. Believe in yourself. Even when people say no, keep going. Work hard. Success doesn't come easy. You have to put in the effort. Never give up. If Bruno had given up, we wouldn't have his amazing music today. Thank you for listening to Bruno Mars' story today. Did you enjoy this story? Let me know in the comments below. If you want to learn English through more inspiring stories, don't forget to subscribe to English Insight. See you in the next video. Keep learning and never give up.